It's day 6. Do you know where your kids are? Good morning, man. Day 6. On the prowl. Vlogmas 2023. Y'all know what to do. Hit them links. Hit them links. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Notice, I don't even be saying nothing about don't skip no ads because I wish you wouldn't. But yeah, I just wish you wouldn't. I don't even say nothing about it no more. This is something y'all supposed to know. Just like the other stuff. Just like the sharing and the liking and the comment and all that. Y'all supposed to know this stuff. I shouldn't have to tell y'all this. But yeah, sometimes you gotta tell somebody something. I don't know why, he just does. Just like my son. He 4, but I think he knows certain stuff, and you still have to tell him. So I guess I still have to tell y'all too. But yeah, man, we headed in again. Guess that mean no lottery winnings, huh? I need to give y'all an update on the Honda. And hopefully I will have an update today. We had to order some parts. Some mounts, motor mounts, transmission mounts, stuff like that. All that stuff was shot. So we had to order some mounts. So hopefully they come in today at an adequate time so that I can put those in before everything goes back up. What else? The mouse. Yeah, he was having some problems with his vehicle, man, yesterday, so he ain't come by yesterday. But like at this point, the only thing he gotta do is put the subframe back up. And that'll really be it. Put the subframe back up, put the axles back, all that good stuff. You know, all the tedious things. Because you know all this stuff that'll be tedious, like taking stuff apart. It's like Legos putting that stuff back together. So yeah, we gotta do that. What? Gotta do that, and yeah, that'll pretty much be it. I feel a little better today. You know what I'm saying? I went and DoorDash last night. I was feeling a little better yesterday, actually. I feel a little better today, so hopefully my day goes a bit better than it did yesterday. Cause yesterday, boy, I was fighting. I ain't gonna lie to you, I was fighting through it yesterday. I don't know what that was, but I was fighting through it. It was not the place I wanted to be. So, yeah. But let me head on up here, man, get everything set up, get everything together, man, so I can get to work. And I'll hit y'all in a second, man. Yo, what's happening with it? At the house, man. And let me see how to get this mount off of here, because Ashton called and said that 2 of mounts got here. And I was hoping that it was this transmission mount that shot, but it's not. It is. What the hell is that? Oh. So I'm assuming that mount go right there. Oh, okay. Oh, that's easy. I'm finna let him do that. Yeah, I'm finna let him do that. He finna put that mount on. He finna put both of those on. Okay. Yeah. So let me go and grab, because I don't know where the bolts are. I'm sure the bolts probably didn't come with it. So let me go and see, because I don't know. This right here, this amount, I don't know where they go. Okay, the bolts go on the bottom. Bolts go on the bottom. But the other bolts go on the top. And I don't know what bolts. See, that's why like I didn't want to do it, because I don't know which is which. But I know this mount gotta come out too. We ordered 3 mounts. I don't think we ordered this one. Let me see how this come out. There's a bolt right there. Okay, there's a bolt right there. Okay, so we would have to move this jug right here just to move that mount. So that shouldn't be that hard. Let me see if bolts came with them mounts, because if so, I'm gonna let him. But hold on, because I'm trying to figure out, did he take that off? Did he take that mount off? He had to take the mount off after he took this down. But my thing is, why did he take that mount off? I know it's bad, but why though? Because I don't think he took it off because it was bad. And being that he got them both off, because I'm sure. Nah, they go in the back. Let me see. Bam. That one goes in the back. This the rear mount right here. Gotta be. Let me see. It gotta be, because it got this shield on it. So this gotta be the front. Yep, this the front mount, because it got the hose on it. So this the front mount. Okay. Alright. Let me go and check out this mount right fast. I'm gonna check out this mount. First, let's see if we ordered the right one. Let me see if we ordered the right mount, because nope, this not it. And this one is, what is this? So we did order. Ain't nothing else in them boxes?
No. I thought I'd seen.
Okay, so we got. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this the front mount. This the front mount, and this is that passenger side mount. This is the passenger side mount. That's still on the car. And then the other mount is the transmission mount. That's the mount that didn't come. So we're waiting on the transmission mount. So he got them off. So that's something that you can actually put on while it's off. But the thing about that is I don't know which bolts go on it. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know which bolts. So I wish I knew. And I don't wanna get out here and start messing with stuff and then he be like, nah, that wasn't, you know what I'm saying? That wasn't it. That don't go there. And I don't do him off his thing, you know what I'm saying? But what I can do is, man, I wish I had the means of grinding the little rust off of it and painting it real fast, but it's too cold. It's not gonna work. Make that look good, you know what I'm saying? You open your hood, you see, you know what I'm saying? You see some fresh paint on that thing. But that mount, this mount right here, what I was just talking about, is the mount that's inside. So that mount look like it's easy to get to. It ain't like you gotta go. Oh shit, hold on, you might have to. Let me see. Go between the I ain't getting on that ground. Go between here. But that's the frame right there though, so I know it ain't gonna, it's not gonna you're not gonna have to go through the bottom to break the bolts on it. I'm sure you shouldn't have to do that. We'll figure it out. Hold on for a second. Okay, yeah, so I just talked to him. Look like, I'm gonna go ahead and read this book again, but look like I'm gonna have to take the subframe down again to change that mount, that rear mount. You got the front mount. The rear mount is bad, it's shot, it's dead. But this motherfucker is gone. You know what I'm saying? Like it done ripped out the thing. So I'm gonna try to break that and put a little paint on it, on the top of it right there. And what's this? What is that? I don't know what that is. Hold on.